What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Trading with Nicolas at T4Ltrades. Today is 12/20/2023 on a beautiful Wednesday morning. Well, evening, / afternoon. Let's get straight into the trading day with Nicholas. So as you can see, guys, it was a beautiful trading day. Let's get straight into the strategy section of this video. It's going to be the same as always. The Bollinger Bands, the Keltner channels, the VWAP, the MACD, the RSI, and volume, as well as overall technical analysis. You have support, resistance, trends. If you have a line from here to here, that's your uptrend. When that gets broken, technically speaking, you could be in a downtrend. Regular technical analysis and the indicators that you see on screen. Let's get straight into it, straight into the analysis, and let's go over our analysis and our entries. Let's start in the 2-minute time frame. Okay, if that would just act normal for a second. All right, beautiful. And make sure you guys can see what I'm looking at. Yes. So as you can see, we had a 2 ATR move to the upside, and in this consolidation period, I took an entry here because it had opened above previous resistance from the previous day, and it shot above that resistance. It completely shot above the resistance that we had yesterday. Similar picture to Tuesday's trading day. So then we got an entry here, and then when I saw the break above this, I also got a second entry here. We rode it all the way to about here, and I unfortunately, you'll get the story, but unfortunately, I tried to exit at profit, and I just wasn't getting filled. So then I was home for today, and I decided to take a nap. But when I came back, you guys ready for the analysis section of this? Boom! I came back to this somewhere around here. This 2 to 3 o'clock time frame is where I came into the picture, and I was like, oh. So just so you know, guys, whenever you're trading, don't take naps. Don't leave trades open. Close them at profit. I had the position open to close it, and it just never got filled. So I don't know what was up with that one, why I never got filled there, but we did take a loss today, and we did have a beautiful lesson, and we'll get into that section once we get into the what did we learn section. So real quick, we saw that they just so you guys get a simple picture, we saw that it was going to be a bullish trending day based off of this first 2 ATR move. We had an entry here and I had an entry here. We had a profitable winning trade throughout the week, and throughout the day, and it just turned sour. It happens sometimes, you live and you learn. And now that's going to be the analysis section of this video. And now let's get straight into the what did we learn section, because it's going to be a lot. So what did we learn? What we learned is always take profit at 50 to 70%. Always take profit in between 50 to 70 or 50 to 80%, because you usually never get to that 90%, 100% profitability mark when you're using options. Always take profit at 50 to 70% on the options. I will say this over and over and over again. Always take profit. No matter what, always take profit. Secondly, this is a day of learning, a very, very, very important day for all of us to pay attention to and to learn. Because if we go through here and we see what does this look like, this still overall, it looks bullish. We're still above. It's just not getting bought. We're actually breaking through levels, breaking through VWAP. We're breaking through previous support areas. We're breaking through them like a hot knife through butter. Point being, this is where the day gets beautiful. We identified the trend, and we identified where the market was going within the first half of the session before 12. And then after 12, or after 1, is when things started to change and when things went differently. So the what did we learn is a bullish day turning bearish. That was the beautiful lesson for us today that we hadn't seen before. This was the first time I saw a bullish day turn completely bearish. It hasn't happened to me in the last 4 weeks that I've been trading, and for the first time it happened to me. And one of the key things that I'm noticing is that it consolidated here forever. And every time we got sold into a certain range, got bought up. Sold into a certain range, got bought up. got bought up. Sold into a certain range, got bought up. Sold into a certain range, got bought up every single time. And it was just, and all of a sudden you start seeing here, once we get to this high right here, now you're starting to see these lower lows, and I would have entered a short position right around here, and I would have covered it around here, this 475 and a half, 470, 476 area is where I would have covered, or also where I would have put a stop loss, and I would have entered a short here. But I was taking a nap. I sat down and I took a nap, and I missed out on the opportunity in the second half of the trading day. And unfortunately, you live and you learn. I wish I could have been present at my screen, because then it wouldn't have been a losing day. If I wouldn't have taken a nap, I would have then closed out the trade, took a small loss, then I would have flipped, because I would have noticed the script is changing. Because as you could see here, momentum was already waning the entire time. Look, from up here, momentum just went negative, and strength completely flew off. Gone. Strength is completely gone. Look. Strength is completely gone. It would have been if I would have been looking at the screen, I would have clocked 130. I would have closed the position and flipped side. But unfortunately, I wasn't looking at my screen, and I was taking a nap, which was the biggest mistake of my day. It wasn't even the trade I made. The biggest mistake of my day was taking a nap. But you live and you learn, as always, and that's why you paper trade. It's exactly why you paper trade, because paper trading is how you learn. It's how you learn these big mistakes like I did. And then let's just check out the second half of the day. We'll just go over the 5 minute for fun, even though it really doesn't look too much different. 2 ATR move to the upside. Had the high here and came all the way down. Look at that. The chart completely changes. From one half of the day to the other half of the day. Look at this move all the way to the downside. And if I go here, once we had this high, it was straight bearish after that. If I put a trend line, you can see it clear as day. Look at this. Look at there. Touched here, came a little bit above, came back in, touched here, and completely faded the rest of the day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the what did we learn section of that video, and the overall quality of these videos seem to be getting better and better. I'm able to educate you guys and get to the point a lot quicker. Remember to always like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check the Discord link in the description. I'm always in there when I'm making these videos. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. It's the way that we get on the algorithm. And I can't wait to see you guys in another video. Deuces, guys.